Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you will be needing to do is to access to your workspace, and from there you can simply start searching in the searching bar. And basically, the searching bar would allow you to search anything on Slack, either keywords, channel, people, and also for some messages or whatever. So from here you can click on the searching bar, and as you can see, we can either like go to this support menu where you can like understand more about searching, or you can simply start searching on whatever you like. For example, I'm just going to search for this channel. So I'm just going to type friends, and as you can see, it can start like searching exactly for messages, or it will start searching for canvases or files, etc. Also, you can start like adding the scope. So for example, you can add like something that has been sent by me, and from here you can choose like um the working space or the section or whatever the channels, and basically you can either like also add as many filters as you'd like. So as you can see, there are many filters that you can use, and from there you can choose whatever you'd like. For example, I'm just going to search for a hello message that I have sent. Now let's just, for example, from me, and I want it just to be in a specific channel. So here I'm just going to choose this one. As you can see, it will give me a result of my searching. If I click on it, it will take me to this message that I'm searching for. Now let's just go for canvases. And basically you need just to remove these uh, filters, and I'm going to click on search, and basically it will show me the canvases that has been created by me. And if I click to it or on it, it will take me directly to this canvas that I have chosen. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.